Hi, welcome back to the channel. In today's lesson, we'll see electric field strength. I will explain the concept of electric field strength and also help you understand the formula for electric field strength or intensity and its unit. That said, let's get into class. Now, when we have charges, obviously around each of the charges, we have electric fields around each of these charges, be it positive or negative. But if I have two charges of different polarities, positive and negative, obviously we know that the force of attraction exists between them. But if I have two charges, probably they are both positive, we know that the force of repulsion exists between them. Now, at different points around these charges, there are electric fields set up. Now, if this is positive, obviously around this charge, there's electric field set up. So at different points on around this charge, we can measure the strength of this electric field. We define electric field strength at any point on this field as the force experienced by a unit positive charge, placed at that point. And obviously, the direction of this force or the direction of the field is the same thing as the direction of the force. That is, we say E is equals to F per unit charge Q. That is, if I'm to place a positive charge here, which is my Q, then here also is my Q. Let's tag this as a big Q. From Coulombs law, we know that my F is the same thing as Q times Q over 4 pi E R, which is the same thing as K, Q, this is R squared, sorry, over R squared. Now, where my K is the same thing as 1 over 4 pi E. We explained this in our lesson on electrostatics. In case you missed that lesson, do not hesitate to check the description below. We'll place a link to that lesson. So that if E now is the same thing as F over Q, then E automatically will be the same thing as K Q over R squared times 1 over Q. So that my E will be the same thing as K Q over R squared. We know the value of K is the same thing as 9 times 10 raised to the power 9 for free space times Q over R squared. Now, for the unit of the electric field, we said that E is the same thing as F over Q. And we know that F is measured in newtons and Q is measured in coulombs. So that E obviously is Newton per coulomb, which I can also write as NC minus 1. NC minus 1. You see this in most textbooks. In our next lesson, we'll take an example to help you understand how to apply this same formula to calculating electric field intensity and strength. Thank you for staying with us and see you in our next class.